Every moment is better with Coca-Cola. Taste the feeling.
Drink. When energy runs low, Predator Energy Drink keeps you going. Predator Energy Drink. Power your day.
Now, you see that video advert you just watched right now was created by AI. In fact, not less than 1 minute, I created that type of advert video. And you as a business owner, digital marketer, or you are selling product, you are doing business, you don't need to pay any influencers, you don't need to pay any celebrity to do your advert for you. With this new AI tool called Nextifly AI, you can create amazing advert for your product. Yes, you can create amazing advert for your product. And you don't need to do much. All you need is just a simple prompt, and it's going to generate the full video for you in less than 2 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nextifly AI to create amazing advert videos like this for your product. So if you're a marketer, dropshipper, digital marketing, and you want to create a video advert for your product, this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video, I'm going to put you step by step on how you can create amazing advert video for your product using Nextifly AI. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let's go dive into it. Let me show you how you can create amazing advert videos like this. And also, this AI tool have a lot of features, but you watch the video, I'm going to review everything for you. Now, let me take you guys to my laptop screen and show you how you can create art videos like this on Nextifly AI. Let's get started. This is the AI tool that will help you generate the type of video you just watched moments ago. This AI tool called Nextifly, it help you generate the AI tool. It will help you generate any video advert. So as a business owner or digital marketer, you can use this platform. Now, to access this platform, head over to the description of this video. The first link you see, you click on the link and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, when it brought you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is just to click on this generate your first ID AI ad. As you can see, generate your first AI ad. You click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's going to take you to an interface like this where you're going to register, and you register your account. And if you register your account, they are going to give you some free credit which you are going to use to generate your videos. And when you come down here, you are also going to see a lot of things you can also do on this AI platform. On this platform, like as you can see, add video generator, avatar talking, as you can see, talking avatar, as you can see, talking actor, image, as you can see, add image generator, product in hand. When you click on more, you can also see review, unboxing, capture, app showcase, and a lot of things. You can see a lot of things you can do with this platform. I'm going to show you how you are going to use some of them. But first, let's start by generating our first video as the video you just see moments ago. And to generate that type of video you just watched moments ago, the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, and this is ChatGPT. And on ChatGPT, I gave ChatGPT my video idea. I said, I want you to act like a professional prompt engineer and write me a 15-second video prompt for a digital market. Create an engaging prompt to promote product, to promote Predator energy drink to Nigeria. The message should be under 15 seconds and let it be engaging and informative. This is what I gave to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this prompt. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to copy this prompt here like this to the end here, and I'll click on copied. After click on copy, I'll go back to the AI tool and I'll paste my prompt here. I can decide to upload image, or all I just have to do is just to paste the prompt here like this. Now let's paste the prompt. Now, after pasting my prompt, the next thing I'm going to do, as you can see where they wrote Sora 2 here, Sora 2 Pro, as you can see, you can also use Clean AI, as you can see, you can also use Clean 2.5, but I'll be using Sora 2 Pro. Then you select your ratio here. I want to use it for YouTube, so I'll be selecting my ratio here, that is 16.9. But if you are using it for TikTok, you can select 9.16. Your video duration should be 15 seconds, and after that you click on OK. Now you select your quality, make sure you leave it at 1080p, and your result, that video to generate, let's leave it at 1. Now after you leave it at 1, everything is set. The next thing you are going to do is to click on generate. Now this is our result. As you can see, this is our result here. Let me play it so that you guys will see.
Just by trying. That matters more than you think. You're already doing great just by trying.
Now this is our result. As you can see, this is our result. Let me play it one more time so that for some people to also see it again. So as you can see, so you can create something amazing like this. You can create something like this for brand, for company, and they are going to pay you a lot of money. And all you just have to do is just to get a simple prompt from ChatGPT, and you are going to create your videos. Now this is the first one I created. As you can see, this is the first about energy drink. As you can see, this is the first one I created. 2 video in just less than 1 minute. So you can do something like this. Now you can also use this AI tool to generate your talking actor, your AD image generator. As you can see, it have a lot of features. So on my next video, I'm going to talk much about that, like AD remix, AD image generator, talking actor, how you are going to use this to also advertise your product. I'm also going to show you how you can do this. So make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that on my next video, you are going to be among of the people who are going to benefit on how you can use these tools, the remain tools, and generate talking videos or any type of advertisement for yourself using this AI tool. There is a lot of features on this AI tool. On my next video, I'm going to touch more about that. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, remember to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.